Need a raclette grill? Whether it's for a cozy winter evening, a big family dinner, or just to melt cheese like a pro, choosing the right one can be tricky. Some raclette grills heat unevenly, and a few are just way overpriced for what they offer. So today, we've done the research for you to find the top 3 raclette grills that combine power, build quality, and ease of use. From the perfect cheese melt to evenly grilled meats and veggies, these machines will make your table the star of every meal. Stick around until the end, because our number 1 pick might just surprise you, both for its performance and its price. In the third, I was able to test the Hamilton Beach Electric Raclette Grill, and it turned out to be a pleasant surprise for its price and practicality. It offers a large 200 square inch PFAS-free nonstick surface, big enough to serve up to 8 people comfortably, making it perfect for family dinners or evenings with friends. The dual texture grill top lets you cook meats, shrimp, or vegetables on one side while melting cheese or sauces in the 8 individual trays below. It creates a fun and interactive atmosphere where everyone can prepare their own meal just the way they like it. The adjustable heat control is easy to use and provides steady cooking performance, although I noticed that the maximum temperature could be a bit higher for faster searing or quicker cheese melting. Still, the grill heats evenly and maintains warmth well throughout the meal. Another big advantage is its cleanup. Thanks to the non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe parts, everything washes up easily without effort. The design feels sturdy and modern, with stainless steel and aluminum components that give it both durability and a clean look. I also appreciated the indicator light that signals when the appliance is on, adding a simple but important layer of safety. As for the drawbacks, the individual trays are quite shallow, limiting how much cheese or sauce you can melt at once, and the heat power isn't as strong as on more premium raclette models. However, for casual home use, it performs very well and offers a satisfying raclette experience overall. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Raclette Grill is a great entry-level option, easy to use, large enough for families, and very simple to clean. While it lacks the high power of more expensive grills, it delivers consistent results and turns every meal into a friendly, enjoyable moment around the table. Secondly, I was able to test the Cuisinart Raclette Grill, and it's honestly one of the most versatile and fun models I've tried. This 2-in-1 electric grill combines a classic raclette setup with a Korean BBQ-style grill, giving you a wide range of cooking options. It features a powerful 1,500-watt heating system that can reach up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to roast meats, seafood, vegetables, or even make crepes and pancakes thanks to its reversible nonstick plate. The grill surface offers 2 sides, one grooved for those beautiful grill marks, and one flat for cooking breakfast items or delicate foods. It comfortably serves up to 8 people, with 8 individual raclette trays that let everyone melt cheese, heat sauces, or create their own combinations. During my test, I found the heating performance strong and consistent. It warms up quickly and keeps a stable temperature throughout cooking. The adjustable thermostat works well, although the temperature precision could be slightly better. Sometimes it feels a bit hotter in the center than on the edges. The non-stick coating performs really well, making food release easy and cleanup simple. Both the grill plate and trays are removable and dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for convenience. I also appreciated how portable and compact the unit is. Despite its power, it's lightweight and easy to move or store. It's perfect for small apartments or quick family dinners without taking up too much counter space. The build quality feels decent for the price, mainly aluminum, and it looks modern enough to fit any kitchen setup. On the downside, the size of the raclette trays is a bit small, which limits how much cheese or sauce you can melt at once. Some users may also find the grill top slightly narrow if cooking for a full group of 8. Another drawback I noticed is that while the temperature range is wide, the control knob isn't super precise. It takes a bit of practice to find the sweet spot between warming and full heat. In conclusion, the Cuisinmax 2-in-1 Raclette grill is an excellent mid-range option that delivers impressive versatility and performance for its price. It's ideal for people who love experimenting with both raclette and grill-style meals, offering enough power to cook almost anything while staying compact and easy to clean. Though it's not perfect in size or temperature precision, its flexibility, design, and overall performance make it a great choice for shared meals and year-round fun cooking. And to finish, first of all, I was able to test the Swissmar Classic Raclette Grill, and it's easily one of the best performing and most premium models available right now. Designed for up to 8 people, it combines elegance, power, and versatility in a single appliance. With its 1,200-watt heating system and reversible cast aluminum non-stick plate, you can grill meats, fish, and vegetables on one side while using the smooth surface for pancakes or crepes. The non-stick coating works perfectly, food lifts easily, and cleaning is fast and effortless. The stainless steel base looks beautiful on the table and feels solid, giving the whole unit a premium, restaurant-like feel. The temperature control is smooth and precise, allowing you to cook delicate ingredients without burning them. During my tests, it heated evenly and quickly, keeping a consistent temperature throughout the cooking session, which is ideal for sharing a meal without interruptions. It comes with 8 heat-resistant raclette trays and 8 spatulas, which are perfect for melting cheese or preparing side dishes simultaneously. The trays are spacious and well-designed, and the stay-cool handles make them safe to handle even when the grill is hot. The grill is also very adaptable. It works just as well for indoor raclette nights as it does for small outdoor gatherings. Whether you're cooking vegetables, meats, or breakfast foods, it handles everything with ease. However, the Swissmar isn't without its downsides. The first drawback is the price. It's noticeably more expensive than other models, which might not suit all budgets. Additionally, despite its high build quality, the heat power could be slightly stronger. While it cooks evenly, it doesn't always reach the very high temperatures that some users might expect for fast searing. Finally, its larger size and heavier materials make it a bit less portable and require more storage space compared to smaller models. In conclusion, the Swissmar Classic Raclette Grill stands out as a top-tier, long-lasting product built for those who value quality and style. It's elegant, solid, and reliable, offering a perfect mix of raclette tradition and modern grilling. Although the price and moderate power might be small drawbacks, its precision temperature control, durability, and ease of use make it the perfect choice for anyone who wants to invest in a premium raclette experience. A true favorite for those who want the best balance between performance and design. And that wraps up our top 3 raclette grills, each one offering something unique. The third model stood out for its great value and easy-to-use design. The second impressed with its versatility and powerful dual-function setup. And the first took the crown for its premium build quality and precise temperature control. No matter your budget or cooking style, there's a raclette grill here that can turn every meal into a warm, shared experience. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.